What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add a border on Microsoft Word. So in this tutorial I will show you that how can you add a border on this page. It's pretty much easy and simple. So let's begin our video. So first simply open your Word application, then you can see option. Just there you can see this is, just click it, then you can see option lot of bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border or all border. You can select anything. I select this all border. Then if you type something, everything is on the border. So guys, in this way you can add border on your Microsoft Word. It's pretty much easy. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.